Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I am super excited to share with you Grok Imagine. We're going to use Grok AI Text-to-Video Generator to generate an incredible video. So let's put this to the test. So once inside Grok, to use the Grok AI Text-to-Video, just simply go ahead and click on Imagine on the left hand side. Then use the section here at the bottom to enter your prompt. I'm going to simply enter the Hulk running through New York City. Then I'm going to click on the right hand side where it shows a little image or video icon. I'm going to ensure that it is showing video, and I'm going to click on video. And of course you want to set your aspect ratio as well. I'm going to simply choose the middle aspect ratio right here, which is a 3:2, and then click and send. And it is super fast to generate the video. So all I'm going to do is just wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, it's already at 30%, and it's going to generate video for me. So let's just wait for it to complete its generation. And there you have it, guys. Look at that. The Hulk running through New York. Guys, I just want to say that I think Grok Imagine, it is super cool and super powerful, and it's so accurate. If you think so, give this video a like. If you find value in this video and you like it, give this video a like. And if you're new to my channel, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, guys. It helps the community to grow, and I'm so happy to have you guys join this community so that we can share all different kind of tools, learn how to use all different kind of tools. It is so happy to have you guys here. With that said, thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.